Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make a macaroni salad. First, let's get our main ingredient ready. You'll want to cook about 8 ounces of elbow macaroni. Follow the package instructions for al dente perfection. Once cooked, drain it well and give it a good rinse under cold water. This quick step is super important. It stops the cooking process and keeps your macaroni from clumping together, ensuring a perfect texture for our salad. Next, let's whip up that delicious, creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Then, add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and 1 teaspoon of sugar for a touch of sweetness. Finish it off with about 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and well combined, creating a flavorful base for our salad. Now, it's time to add some fresh, vibrant flavors and textures to our macaroni salad. We'll start with 1/2 cup of finely diced celery, which adds a wonderful crunch. Next, chop about 1/4 cup of red onion. Its mild sharpness complements the creamy dressing beautifully. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped parsley for a burst of color and herbaceous note. These ingredients elevate the salad's overall taste and appearance. Finally, let's bring it all together. In a large bowl, gently combine your cooled, cooked macaroni with the creamy dressing we just made. Then, carefully fold in the diced celery, red onion, and fresh parsley until everything is evenly coated. Once mixed, cover the bowl tightly and place it in the refrigerator. Allow it to chill for at least 2 hours, or even better overnight, to let those flavors meld beautifully. Enjoy your easy homemade macaroni salad.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.